This van used to be a work van. Now it's a fully off-grid camper van that we've designed especially for our daughter. The wheels and tyres, as you might recall from a previous video, have changed. Picked these up for a steal, £70 for a decent set of steel wheels, but the tyres, they're near enough brand new and they're cross climate 2s. So we got the windows tinted for her by Universal Tinting and Detailing. It's in Preston, it's on Aqueduct Street. I will leave a link in the description. This guy is a perfectionist. We've got a solar panel on the top, which is a 195 watt solar panel. We've put a window in the side. I'll show you what that's for when we go inside. So let's put a light on. So we've got a main switch for the lights down there. We've also got a 240 plug socket, some more USB sockets. The 240 plug socket can be controlled by the remote switch there for the inverter. We've got the diesel heater. Now you'll know how much of a pain in the neck that was. Now, what I said about the little window, this is why we've got the little window. So we can open that out, just like that. That's for storage, well, part of the storage. So in there, we've got 2 shelves. I also made a nice little chopping board there. So she's got 2 shelves just there. Now I've designed the bed so it opens up this way. We've got a storage drawer underneath here, which usually comes out nice and easy, but tonight it's not for some reason. So we've got a nice drawer underneath there. So that comes out just like that. We've got another cupboard under there, which is full of storage. We also have another little one there. It is all the same compartment. That comes out like that. Designed that one to only come out to there. So this slides across here That drops down there. Just like that. Plenty big enough. I mean, I'm over 6 foot and I am nowhere near. So, yeah. Even big enough for 2 people. If she wants to sleep with it closed up, it's big enough to do that. There we go. As you'll have seen from the electrical installation video, you'll know exactly what we've got in here. 280 amp hour lithium battery, solar isolator, 12 volt isolator, buzz bars, fuses, all going through into another compartment where the inverter is, 1000 watt inverter, and the DC to DC MPP solar charger. So they're down there in their own little compartment doing their own little thing. So let's have a quick look at inside. Now you might notice that the new radio's not in anymore. The reason being, it worked perfectly okay, not a problem. There's nothing wrong with the radio, apart from it didn't have Android Auto on it. So it had to come back out. That's now gone back. But everything else, cab-wise, is pretty standard in here as a standard Caddy. Nothing fancy. Oh, I've changed this. Used to have the cigarette lighter thingy, you know, so you could plug one of them in. So I had one of these lying around, so while the radio was out, I took this lot off and I put that in. Now we've also done a few little additions to the door. We've made a little strap there so she can close it from the inside, and we've made this here so she can open it from the inside. If you have any questions about the build, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. I should be able to answer them because I've done everything, as you've seen in all the previous videos. So she's going to be taking this on her trips to Europe